Play-Doh and crayons.
Bismillah.
I can't wait to see it. I don't know. Can I play with it too? All right. We can have a party. Are you gonna sing the national anthem?
इसने फिर किसा गासी नेशनल एंथम
एक मिनट जवाब भी करना
हम मैं जल्दी पढ़ी हुई है
Hey there, superstar! Sing along to 8 built-in songs. Play 6 great music and rhythm games. And use fun mic effects to change the sound of your voice. Plug in your own music player and press the music magic button to reduce the voice so you can sing along.
Stand banana piano maybe. No microphone.
ओह स्टैंड भी आ गया
Wow, selfie sticks.
Dance, dance, dance!
Which पे जावे?
कुछ नहीं कुछ बुकलेट है पे आवा
स्टैंड की बनाना चाहिए.
सुभान अल्लाह
Maksud पीस के बोट ने. ऐ लता बन गया. 4 लता. ऐ 4 लता मम्मी. Oh 10 लता ने. 10 लता मैं 10 लता किस पे निकाल दिया?
ऊपर लाओगे ना
कौन है ये चाहिए? हाँ.
ये
हाँ. मैं और ये कुछ बात है. आता को बुक करते हैं फिर ये. बुक को पढ़ने वास्ते जो भी आसान करना चाहिए kan. Ah, I'm gonna say that. I love the last area. This is for the legs right here. And just stick it on like that. Very easy, simple, straightforward. And we got the machine there. We have these 2 pieces here, and they're identical. Both of them. So I'd imagine one goes in the bottom and one goes in the top.
एक में मुझे देना
पापा को दो फातिमा
One has a little design and one doesn't. So I'll try it this way. Nope. I'll try it this way. Nope.
ये बुकलेट
There's a screw here. So that here. I see a thread here and here as well. Or a piece out there.
नहीं हो कोई
These 2 have threads as well. This has a thread.
आज लावा के ना लावा कैसे ना पैकिंग क्या है
At the or piece ending? Under ending, sure. Yeah, I'd say good enough. Then you just put it in like that. You don't have to screw nothing at all. You just throw this in like that, no tools required. And then you just put this one on top. There's a piece with a design. I left that on top and the flat side on the bottom.
एडो ऐसे लावा के नहीं लावा
Maybe eventually, yeah. This is probably just to extend it. We'll put this one here too, height, to see the height. But actually she doesn't need 3 because she's not that tall. So I think 2 is good for Fatima, right? 2 is good for her. And now this piece. How is that gonna exactly work out? So we might not need that one.
नो
How is this gonna?
पीछे भी दो
So what else?
बुक बुक तको
This is gonna connect onto here. Oh, I got it now. I understand now. This is gonna go on here. But first we have to open it, loosen it. Loosen it, and then put it on here.
Welcome to the
Right.
show! It's
And then,
showtime!
oh, let me just make sure it's the right way. Yeah, that's right. Oh no, that's not right. So we're gonna put it this way. This way? No. That's not gonna work for her. Like this, it should be. So it's gonna go like this. And then we're gonna tighten it, just so it doesn't come out of there.
सुभान अल्लाह
Tighten it up. And then we're gonna put this on here like this. And then adjust it as we need it. So I don't even think we need the second piece here. We can just, yeah, we might as well leave it. Or take it out. And then
Welcome to the show.
even,
It's
we can leave that there.
showtime.
But we'll put this on here to make it more her height because she's only 3.5. And this is made for 5-year-olds. Wow. Just like that.
Fun. Dance, dance, dance.
So now we gotta tighten it, is what we gotta do. I think. Did I do it right? No, that's not right. It doesn't look right. Oh. There's a couple little things here for those two little. Oh, I two liner?
Ni ther pe awas ni na.
Okay, two liner.
Nai many lai abudi lai sa.
So these come out and they screw in to hold the machine, I think. Does that go like that? Or does it go like that? It goes like this. So that fits good like that. Tighten this a lot. Likes to fall down. Is that how it is in the picture? Yes. And then there's a hole here. We just put this in like this. And this is the for the microphone. This one here is for the microphone. Now we got it. We put this in here like this, and we can adjust the microphone to about there, I think, for her. And this is a cap for there. And then we tighten up the microphone. And then we can put the microphone in there after. These are extra. And I guess those two I go choose on how you under it. Could you write the accessory already? And that's the one. Alright, now it's working out good. And then we could put the microphone here, like this. Now watch this, Fatima, ready? We open this up. Thank you for the mic. I'm going to pass it to you. I pass you the mic. And then we go like this. And that's just an extension, I think. But we may need, oh, that's for your own MP3s. If you have any. Okay, now, you're going to like this a lot. Let's just see which one is the microphone. I don't know. Does it say on here? Nope. Do we have to read the instruction book for that? Or just more later here? Okay, now I turn it to you. And I put the microphone here for you. There we go. That snaps in there like that. And let me put this away. Okay, now we can turn this on. And we can turn this on. Okay. Hold this. This is the volume.
Welcome to the show. Your music.
Okay, so now we're going to sing.
Free play. It's showtime.
Hello, 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 hello. Testing, testing.
Dance, dance, dance.
Hello. Hello.
Free play. It's showtime. Games and tools. Music pop.
Hello, hello. Microphone,
Choose
microphone,
your music.
microphone. Or you could turn this too. Is that working? Is that working now?
Free play.
Okay. Okay, I gotta read again the instructions. Look at the stars on the roof, Fatima. That's amazing. Your machine's doing that? That's pretty
MashaAllah.
good. You have a crystal ball up here.
MashaAllah.
Nice one.
Good friends now. Remember that you will always be mine. Through the good times, through the bad times. Never forget we will always shine. I know that you'll always be there, always be there. I know that you'll always be nice, always be kind. So never forget that you can always count on me. That's right. Dance away to my favorite song. We will sing it all